Hello kids, now I'm going to play a game called Jumbled Letters. Jumble means writing the spelling in improper order. Improper means not in correct order. Let's take jumbled letters W-O-C. Now if I ask you, which word can you make from W-O-C? If you know the word cow, you can easily say the word will be cow. Now I am going to give you other jumbled letters Y-O-T. Can you make any meaningful word from these letters? Yes, it will be toy. So now can you tell me the meaning of jumble in English? Jumble means mixture of things, especially an untidy and confused mixture of things. So what does jumbled letters mean? Jumbled letters mean mixing of letters not in correct order. Question based on jumbled letters will give you a group of jumbled or scrambled letters and requires you to unscramble them to make an actual word. For example, here you are given the letters O, N, M, A, G, and you must make a meaningful word from it. For making a meaningful word, you must use all the letters. Make sure you are not leaving or repeating any letters. Suppose M is given one time, then we should use it at one place only. But if any letter is given two times, then we should use it two times. If you look closely, you will find that the word mango is hidden in this. Rules for making meaningful word from the given jumbled letters. First, you must use all the given letters. You cannot leave any letter. Second, you cannot repeat the letters. It means if the list of the letters contains alphabet A only one time, then your final word should also contain alphabet A at only one time. If any letter appears multiple times in the list of the letters, then your final word should also contain that letter that many times. The purpose of this type of question is to check how rich your vocabulary is. Make the suitable words from these letters. Your letters are R, C, Y. Try to make meaningful word. These alphabets can make cry. See other examples. TAR can be converted into rat, R-A-T. RAM can be converted into ARM, arm. PAT can be converted into TAP, tap. WAS can be converted into SAW, saw. TEN can be converted into NET, net. TAN can be converted into ANT, ant. ANM can be converted into MAN, man. Thank you.